Hello, and welcome back to English Elevation, your space to not just learn English, but to grow, improve, and rise higher in life. If you've ever felt like giving up, if you've ever started something and stopped halfway, if you've ever asked yourself, why can't I stay motivated? Then this video is for you. Because today, we are going to talk about a superpower. And no, it's not talent. It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's something much more powerful than all of those combined. It's called consistency. Let's dive deep into the power of consistency, how it transforms your English, your confidence, your life, step by step. And remember, this is not just a motivational talk. It's a blueprint for transformation. Let's begin. What is consistency? Why does it matter? Let's first understand something simple but powerful. Consistency means doing something regularly. It doesn't mean doing it perfectly. It doesn't mean doing it fast. It just means keep showing up. Success is not about doing big things occasionally, but doing small things regularly. Now think about this. How do children learn to walk? How do we learn to speak a language? How do athletes become champions? By repeating, by practicing, by staying consistent. Not by talent alone, not by motivation alone, but by daily, repetitive effort. Let me give you an example. Imagine someone studies English for 8 hours on a Sunday, but does nothing for the next 6 days. Now imagine another person studies for just 30 minutes every single day. Who do you think will improve faster after 6 months? Yes, the second person, because consistency beats intensity. English learning and consistency, a powerful combination. If you're here, it means you're trying to improve your English. That's wonderful. But here's the truth no one wants to tell you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word in the dictionary. You don't need a British or American accent. You just need to be consistent. Here's a 5-step consistency plan for learning English. Step 1. Fix a time daily. Whether it's 15 minutes or 1 hour, choose a fixed time to study English. Morning, night, doesn't matter. Just make it daily. Step 2. Read, write, listen, speak. Every week, balance your skills. Monday, read. Tuesday, write. Wednesday, listen. Thursday, speak. Mix them in a routine. Step 3. Use a notebook. Write 5 new words daily. Write short stories. Write your thoughts in English. Step 4. Watch English content, but with intention. Don't just watch Netflix. Take notes. Repeat sentences. Imitate pronunciation. Step 5. Don't break the chain. Use a calendar. Tick every day you studied. Build a streak. Make it visual. Motivation gets you started, but consistency keeps you going. Why we struggle with consistency? Let's be honest. Being consistent is not easy. Here are some common challenges. 1. Waiting for motivation. You don't need motivation. You need a habit. If you only study when you feel motivated, you'll fail. 2. Perfectionism. You try to be perfect, and when you make mistakes, you feel bad, so you stop. But remember, progress, not perfection. 3. Lack of patience. You want quick results, in a week, in a month. But real change takes time. Don't judge your day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. If you plant a seed and water it daily, one day it becomes a tree. That's how language, skills, and life work. Consistency builds confidence. When you're consistent, something magical happens. your confidence increases. You start feeling in control. You believe in yourself. You feel proud. Not because you're perfect, but because you didn't quit. Imagine this. You start making small videos in English. First, you're nervous, but you do it again and again. After 3 months, you're not just better, you're more confident, more fluent. Consistency gives you the gift of self-trust. Let me share a powerful story. Have you heard of the Chinese bamboo tree? When you plant a bamboo seed, you water it, care for it, give it sunlight. But for the first 4 years, nothing happens. No sign of growth, no shoots, no leaves, nothing. Imagine that. You keep showing up every day, but there's no visible progress. But in the 5th year, something magical happens. In just 6 weeks, the bamboo tree grows up to 80 feet tall. So let me ask you, did the bamboo tree grow in 6 weeks? No, it grew because of 4 years of consistency. You see, your English journey might feel like that bamboo tree. You may not see results immediately, but every word, every sentence you practice is like watering your bamboo. And one day, boom, your fluency shoots up. That's the power of consistency. Life lessons through consistency. Let's go beyond English now. Let's talk about life. Consistency is not just about language or goals. It's about your character. Here are 5 life lessons you learn by being consistent. 1. Discipline over mood. You learn to act even when you don't feel like it. That's real strength. 2. Small wins compound. Reading 5 pages a day equals 150 pages per month equals 12 plus books a year. 3. Confidence from action. Every time you do what you promised yourself, your self-worth rises. 4. You become reliable. People trust those who show up. Employers, friends, clients, all prefer consistency. 5. You create your destiny. Your daily habits become your future. Consistency lets you design that future. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Journaling activity, your consistency plan. Take a notebook. Write these questions down. 1. What is one small thing I can do every day to improve my English? 2. What is stopping me from being consistent? 3. How will I remind myself to keep going even when I'm tired? Now, commit to a 30-day challenge. 30 days. No excuses. No perfection. Just consistency. Even 10 minutes daily can change your life. Real examples of consistent people. Let's look at real stories. 1. Cristiano Ronaldo. Not just talent, years of practice, same routine, day after day. Gym, training, recovery. He once said, "Talent without hard work is nothing." 2. J.K. Rowling. Rejected by 12 publishers, but she kept writing. Today, Harry Potter is a global phenomenon. 3. Your story. Yes, you watching this. You can be the next success story if you choose consistency today. Combine English learning plus life goals. What if you learned English while building discipline? Try this system. Day English task, life habit. Monday, read 1 article. Drink more water. Tuesday, watch 1 video. Exercise for 10 minutes. Wednesday, speak 5 sentences, write gratitude journal. Thursday, learn 10 new words. Avoid social media for 2 hours. Friday, write 1 story. Plan weekly goals. Saturday, practice pronunciation. Call a loved one. Sunday, Review week, rest and reflect. This way, you grow in language and life together. Final message: you versus you. Let me end with this thought. Consistency is not about proving others wrong. It's about proving yourself right. You are capable. You are worthy. You have everything inside you. You don't need to do everything. Just one thing, consistently. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. If this message spoke to you, if you feel ready to commit to your own journey, then join our mission. Like this video, subscribe to English Elevation, comment, "I choose consistency." We're not just building vocabulary here. We're building vision, voice, and victory. You're not alone on this path. Let's walk it together, one consistent step at a time. This is English Elevation, and this is just the beginning.